Morning, guys. It's a frigid 40 degrees here this morning. It's not quite corn planting weather yet. Still kind of damp and cold. So we're gonna get the spray trailer around. Dad's gonna back it up here. We'll have to back the planter out, move our fertilizer tender so we can get the tote of Roundup loaded up on the back of the truck. Won't be doing no spraying. We thought maybe we'd do some burn down spray today. And after we looked at the weather forecast, it's supposed to be kind of windy. So that kind of shot that idea in the butt. So we're gonna stay busy diddling around here, moving some stuff around. Maybe do some tillage out back is what Dad thought, but it's, I don't know. Rain Saturday, they're saying, and it's Thursday now, so I don't know if doing field work's the right call. Who knows? This weather this spring's been goofy. Colder than usual. I mean, a lot colder than usual. To flip the hitch over, huh?
I can let it down.
That's fine. It's cold, man.
I'm like just gonna pull it up.
Sure didn't take much. That's out of the way. Just enough to get the high low through here. I've got to get the tote out from over here. We can get the tote out without moving the tractor.
Get it out.
Move this tote with the pallet jack here instead of getting the planter out. This will probably be a little easier. I'm not sure if we're gonna fit through here or not though. God, this thing's heavy. What way you want the valve facing?
North.
Can you get in that there?
I think so.
I can move it over here.
Move it over a little bit easier.
Yep. God dang it. There we got our hoses hooked up. Should be able to open this. Look at. I don't think so, Tim.
Check valve in that pump.
Well, I mean,
that's
it's got to be pumping.
yeah. Let's see here.
That's what my guess would be.
Closest battery.
Off is 0. Yeah, it's off. You'll know in a second. Pumping?
Yep.
Turn.
Pump a little bit.
Get that. Clear the doorway there. Good?
Oh, just a hair. Alright.
All the way in?
2 more inches.
Alright.
Alright.
Push the tanker back in. Easy squeezy. There. One job done today at least. It's probably the only job we'll do today. Hey, getting stuff done. Look at us go. Let's put it back. Put the pin where we know where it's at, because we'll lose it. I need some more coffee. battery post wired to the wall over there to hook the pump up, make it nice and easy. We used to keep a battery in here, but now we just run it off the truck's power. This is just enough space to put boxes of spray and bags of atrazine or AMS, whatever we need in there. Works out pretty good. Ain't the best of shape trailer, but for what we use it for, it's perfecto. We made up our spray and our planning sheet so we can load some burn down on the truck, and we usually keep a sheet in the tractor and a sheet here in the barn, so if we're loading spray or somebody else is loading spray, we know which ones to grab. Same with the planting stuff, we keep one on the high-low and one with the tractor. That way we're double checking every time we load up or somebody grabs us some seed, it's the right stuff. Just trying to get prepped up and ready to go so when the time comes we can just take off and go, instead of having to scramble around last second. All right, got a little after lunch project going here. Bought me a dusk to dawn light to put up out on the wet tank, because the one we have as a yard light out here has not been coming on at nighttime. It's been flickering and stuff. It's like right there on the wet tank. So I'm gonna back the spray trailer next to the wet tank, get on top of the spray trailer so I can reach the light, so I don't gotta be on a extension ladder that high up, because it gets a little scary up there trying to hold up a heavy light and do the wiring and everything with one hand. So we're gonna try to be safer. We have a man basket for the high-low, but the high-low is only a two-stage high-low, so it doesn't go up very far. I don't think I'll be able to reach it from that. So we're gonna try the truck and see how that works. I don't know, I just wanna get this up. I want some yard light. Got my tools rounded up, the light, some wrenches, drill bits. Go up there and change the light. Dad's gonna back the trailer over. That worked out pretty good. I think we're about half an inch from hitting the bin. So got a little ooh on me. I think I should be able to stand on that and reach that. Might have been closer than half an inch, but yeah. Huh? We'll find out. Gotta get the ladder so I can get up on top of the trailer. Other than that, we'll be good. All right, so my semi-truck ladder deal here worked out pretty good. It got me right up here to it. We're running into now though our bracket that goes on wouldn't go between the bolts that hold it up here, so to make a new bracket a little thicker than that, it's no big deal. Just sucks I gotta make a trip up and down for whatever reason, but hey, like I said, not a real big deal. There, I got that down. Now I'll go make a new bracket for it. Well, lights up. Made a new bracket back there for it. It's adjustable. So far, it's working out pretty good. Now we gotta run this PVC back up. You got it? There you go. Back up to it. All right, we should be good.
What do you want me to do now?
Well,
Want to get a hold of that again?
will that connect to the box?
I guess see that in there.
No, I mean, will it connect to the box the way you want it to? Does it look like it's going to be right?
Yeah, it's lined up under the head.
Okay. That works. All right. Brackets up. Lights up. We gotta get a box for the top of this PVC so we can put the wiring in there and be nice and watertight. Out of mind, or out of sight, out of mind. If that's the way that saying goes, out of mind, out of sight, out of sight, out of mind, something like that. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, should be good. All right, make a trip to the hardware store. You know, no job's complete without at least one trip to the hardware store. And we're not plumbing, so it won't take 2 trips. There you go, new box up, wires ran in there. PVC down, we're secure there and run it to the box. Otherwise, we're all set up here. Another job done. All right, conduit goes over there, up the pole to the light. We flipped the breaker back on. I covered the dusk to dawn sensor. She came right on. Be anxious tonight to see how bright that really is. It says it's a parking lot light, so it should give some pretty good light off there, I would assume. Did all that work and it's gonna be dim. Oh, I'd be so mad. But it's the way she goes. Can't really do a lot about it. Until it's dark out and we'll know for sure. We got a guy coming to buy the jet skis today. Put them for sale on Facebook Marketplace. About 3 minutes later, guy already hit me up and wanted them. That was a nice quick deal. Get those out of here. One less thing sitting around in the way all the time. We don't really use them. Whew, it's getting warm out, guys. I think it said it was 75 or 76 degrees. Ugh. Had to dry the ground up. Too bad we're expecting more rain Saturday. So it'll only be dry for a day or 2. I think we're gonna hold off on trying to get anything planted until after this next rain event. It shows a week of 80-degree plus days coming. We'll just wait for those. It'll be nice and dry then. Probably too dry. It's the way it goes with farming. Well, I don't think we got any other projects today. That one frustrated me enough working on that one. I think I went up and down that about 10 times over there trying to get that light hooked up. So I'm done for the day. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Throw me a like and a subscribe and a thumbs up. Catch you later.